Show you how to download Google Authenticator app on your Windows PC or laptop. So as you can see, I have a bunch of accounts in my Authenticator app. Now if I want to access these on my PC or laptop, first I need to head to the Microsoft Store and then download this Authenticator app. I'll also leave its link in the description so you can download it from there. Note that this app is not from Google itself, it's a third-party app, so it works slightly differently. Once you have opened the app, you need to click on this add 2FA code option. Now go to the Google Authenticator app on your phone, tap the menu icon at the top and then select transfer codes. Now here select export codes. Now you will need to verify your identity. Now select the accounts that you want to export and you will see this QR code. Now what you have to do is take a screenshot of this. Now transfer the same screenshot on your PC or laptop. Once you have the screenshot, open it like this. Now go to the Authenticator app and then select this screenshot button. Now all you have to do is grab a screenshot of the QR code itself. And as you can see, the accounts are now imported. Now the same Authenticator codes appear on both my phone and my Windows PC. So this is quite convenient as I can access these codes without using my phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.